Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at a super budget phone, the Acer Liquid Zest. Now this was announced back in February of 2016, so it's almost 2 years old now, and it was released around April. Now it features 8 GB of internal storage with only a gig of RAM, and is running Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Features a 5-inch screen, 720p only. You're not going to get a 2K screen or even a 1080p screen for this price point. I wish they would include it, but for a phone that came out almost 2 years ago, I don't expect it to have it. But for the price, I can't really see myself complaining too much. Now, the camera on the back is 8 megapixels, is a f2.0, has autofocus, has LED flash, and it features a front-facing 5 megapixel camera. Now, the rear-facing camera is capable of 1080p at 30 frames per second, but to me in my test it seemed more like 480p upscaled. It was just really bad. The pictures themselves came out really washed out, and they were really grainy for an 8 megapixel camera. They just did not seem like they came out of a decent camera. They were just terrible photos. Now, taking a look inside the box, to get in, we gotta, snipe these 2 stickers on each side of the case. Now, while I'm doing this, I'd like to add, it does feature Bluetooth 4.0, so it's not the latest Bluetooth standard, but you should be able to connect to wireless headphones, wireless speakers, and all that. Now, it is still using USB 2.0, micro USB, to charge, so you're not gonna get any quick charging, but for the price, I can't really complain. So here's the phone itself. It comes in this nice little plastic bag. Let's just get it out of there. And we'll take a more in-depth look at this really quickly. You got your camera on the back with a speaker on the bottom, and the front has a sticker on it. I'm just gonna see if it has any power right now, and it does, which is really nice. And we're just going to set that aside, and we're going to take a look at the rest of the packaging and what else is included. So in the big box, just crack this open real quick. And then we have some headphones in the box as well. And we also get a little wall adapter. Now it's a 5-volt, 1-amp wall adapter. So it's the standard one you get with iPhones. You're not going to get any quick charge or anything like that, but it'll get the job done. Charge it overnight, you should be fine. Now, taking a look at the second box inside, which is a smaller box, and you get a micro USB cable. Now, taking a look at the phone itself, we're just gonna tear off this little protective packaging that tells you some of the features it has. You will want to check if this phone works on your carrier, because not all bands are supported. It is only a 3G phone, so the screen itself does look fairly bright and sharp. The text is okay, it's not the best. You do get this Acer tramp stamp at the bottom of the phone. And then on the side, you get a little volume rock with a power button. And then on the back, it's all plastic build. You get a speaker at the bottom, camera on the top. Speaker does seem to be muffled quite easily. Got a micro USB port on the bottom. There's no headphone jack I see on the bottom, but there's a headphone jack on the top. I don't like to see that. I like the headphone jack on the bottom. It just makes it easier when you pull it out. So that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more, hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed the video, thumbs it up. And if you didn't, thumbs it down and let me know why in the comment section. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.